Imagine pulling away from a stoplight and your car feels like it is trying to move through deep mud because it is stuck in second or third gear. Or maybe your shifts have suddenly become incredibly harsh and unpredictable. This is exactly what happens when your transmission fluid pressure sensor or switch F-circuit range performance code, known as P0993, gets triggered. This code hits everything from Jeeps and Dodges to Hondas and Mazdas, and it usually points to the TFPS sensor, which is often tucked away inside the transmission on the valve body. Its job is to turn mechanical pressure into an electrical signal, so the transmission control module, or PCM, knows exactly what is happening during a shift. When that F-circuit signal falls out of the expected range, your car's computer gets confused and might put the transmission into a limp mode to protect itself. While this is often an electrical issue, you cannot ignore the possibility of internal mechanical problems like a cracked check ball or a stuck valve. Your first move should be checking for any manufacturer service bulletins that might point to a known software glitch or a common wiring failure. Look at the external wiring connector on the transmission case first, because these are notorious for getting covered in road grime and developing that green corrosion that kills electrical signals. If you clean it with electrical contact cleaner and the code comes back, you will need to break out the digital voltmeter. With the key on and engine off, you should see either 5 or 12 volts at the harness connector. If the voltage is right but the sensor resistance does not match the manufacturer's specifications when you test it with an ohm meter, the sensor itself has likely failed. Remember that if you end up having to replace the PCM or TCM, you will probably need to have it programmed to your specific vehicle. So do not skip the basic wiring checks first. Dealing with transmission issues can be intimidating, but catching a faulty pressure switch early can save you from a much more expensive internal rebuild down the line.